Important industries of India. All articles that we buy from the market, such as biscuits, telephones, bags, cars, clothes, etc., are made in industries. Some industries are small and can employ just a few people. These industries are known as cottage or small-scale industries. Some industries are very large, with thousands of people working in them. Such industries are known as large-scale industries. Today, let us take a look at some important industries of India. You must have seen these steel rods, copper wires, and aluminium containers. Do you know what these products are made of? These products are made up of metals and minerals. The industries that use such raw materials are called metal and mineral industries. India has abundant deposits of metals and minerals such as iron ore, coal, mica, copper, natural gas, limestone, silver, and many more. These metals and minerals are not only used as raw materials in various other industries, but also make an important industry of India. Different states of India are famous for their fabrics and craftsmanship. Can you guess the states to which these given fabrics belong? Well, you must have heard of Surat being famous for its cotton and synthetic fabrics, Kashmir for silk and embroidered woolen shawls, and Andhra Pradesh for its handloom saris. All these are part of textile industry. The textile industry is primarily associated with the design, production and distribution of fabric and clothing. The fabrics made in these industries are either woven by hand, in looms, or produced on a large scale in textile mills. It is also the oldest and largest industry in India. Jute is the cheapest available natural fiber. It mainly grows in West Bengal and in some parts of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and Andhra Pradesh. It is considered as an important industry because the fiber from this plant is made into ropes, sacks, mats, bags, and many other useful things. This is sugarcane. Do you know how we get sugar from it? The juice of the sugarcane is purified and processed into sugar in sugar factories. India is one of the largest sugarcane producers in the world and thus makes the sugar industry an important industry of India. Bihar and Uttar Pradesh are the largest producers of sugar in India. Sugar is also produced in Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Maharashtra. This is a construction site. Do you know what these people are using to join the bricks? The answer is cement. Cement is made of clay, limestone, and gypsum, and is mainly used to bind things together. Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu are the major producers of cement in India. With a tremendous scope for development in the construction sector, cement industry is considered an important industry of India.